Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to increase your Coinbase limit step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Coinbase limits how much you can buy, deposit, or withdraw based on your verification and usage. These limits can be raised if you follow the right steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase account. First, open the app or go to the Coinbase website and log in. Make sure you're using your main Coinbase account, not a Coinbase wallet account. Step 2. View your current limits. Before increasing anything, let's check your limits. In the app, tap your profile icon, go to Profile and Settings, select Limits and Features, and you'll see your daily and weekly limits for buying, depositing, or withdrawing. On the web, click your profile photo, go to Settings, select Account Limits, and your limits are displayed there. Now let's raise them. Step 3. Complete full verification. The biggest factor that affects your limit is how much Coinbase trusts your identity. So do this first. Verify your email address, add and verify your phone number, upload a government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, national ID, take a selfie if prompted, provide proof of address like bank statement or utility bill, link and verify a bank account or other payment method. Once all these are completed, Coinbase will often automatically raise your limits because you are fully verified. Step 4. Add and verify a strong payment method. Different payment methods have different limits. Bank transfers, ACH, SEPA, Wire, usually offer higher limits. Debit or credit cards often have lower buy limits but are quick. So make sure you link a verified bank account for larger buys or deposits. This alone can significantly increase limits. Step 5. Build trust with regular activity. Coinbase can also raise your limits over time automatically as you buy and sell crypto regularly, make successful transactions, don't trigger any security flags. This shows Coinbase that you're a trusted and responsible user, so your limits can increase without even applying manually. Step 6. Apply for a manual increase. If you still see low limits, go to Settings, Account Limits, tap or click Increase Limits or Apply for Increase. Follow the on-screen steps and submit the request. Coinbase reviews this and usually responds within a couple of days. Important tips. Make sure all information you upload matches your real documents. If limits are still low after verification, keep using Coinbase. Limits often rise over time. Some limits depend on your payment type. Bank transfers usually allow bigger amounts. And that's it. That's how you increase your Coinbase limit in 2025, step by step. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, leave a comment below and I'll help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.